Okay, this is the problem. You can see on the left third meter, timing advance, it's going in negative and it's staying most of the time there on idle. See the RPM 600 plus, the engine load is higher and timing is lower. So as soon as the timing goes up, load comes down. And I don't understand why this thing is happening. It's totally opposite, and it shouldn't be like this. It was not before until I changed my gaskets, water pump and all that stuff. And now it's causing this issue after they reassembled whole thing. What could be the problem? See, I'm on 1300 plus RPMs. The load is lower. Timing is, I don't know if it is on the right place or higher. But I have throttle position on the right third. It's 28.25 like that. And vacuum is there, coolant is there, and I don't understand why it's happening. If anyone can guide me what to see or look into, or how I can fix this thing, I'll be really grateful. Thank you so much. See, I'm dropping it, the load goes up, engine is on idle, it's heavy, and it's like rough, also missing. And right now I was just driving to my service station, and while I was exiting underpass, and I was on 80 kilometers cruise, and suddenly load went to 100%, timing fall, and car started too much missing, it was just struggling. I don't understand why it was happening, but it was really not nice. It was very rough, so I immediately pulled it out of the cruise control and I accelerated it, and the load went down and it was smooth then again. It was really strange. Please guide me. What could be the problem with the car? Why it's happening like this? Is there any kind of sensor needs to be fixed, or any electronically misbalancement or anything? Please tell me. Thank you so much.